Hi everyone, this is Michelle Modlin, and I'm going to give you a quick little tutorial on how to force a copy or push a copy, sometimes it's called. When you want to give a copy of something you've done to someone, but you don't want them to maybe have to ask you for access or something like that, you can push a copy, and this is what this looks like. So let's say I have this Cardinal Cash menu and I want to share it with other teachers or staff, but I don't want them to collaborate on this document with me. I want them to have their own copy that will live in their drive. So what I do is I go ahead and I share it just like I normally would and make sure, okay, so I have Rochelle on here as a viewer. I want to make sure I give them viewing access so she can't edit it anyway. So I'm going to have the link. Well, normally I would copy link and then I would go ahead and send the link to her. So what I'm going to do now is I've enabled it to share. Now I'm going to go up to the URL. Do you see right here at the end where it says, I clicked on the end and it says edit right here where my cursor is? I am going to delete everything that would be up to the word edit and including the word edit to the backslash that you see right there. So I'm going to just delete that, and what I'm going to type in is copy. Once I type in copy, then that forces whoever has this link to open up and make a copy. So then I would highlight and I would copy that URL and then I would send that to her, and then it's going to look like this when she gets it. I just hit the enter key. So now anyone that has that link with the copy behind the backslash, this is what they're going to get. Another quick tip is you can use that for Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Google Drawings. So let's go up and say I wanted to share this drag and drop map that I made with the teachers, but I don't want them to use mine. I want to hit share. So I'm going to share this with anyone that has a link. So I've enabled them to open it up. Now, normally I'd just hit copy link, but I'm not going to do that. I've enabled it. So look up here in the URL, the address of this slide page. Do you see right here, I'm not to the word edit. Oh, there I am. So I would take everything off, clear through the word edit to the backslash, and then I would type in copy. Now, anyone that I might want to push that out to my kids, each one of my kids would get a copy of this. So if I hit enter, this is what it's going to look like. They would hit make a copy, and it would make a copy for them. Just like that. And then they would still be able to have any hyperlinks or any links or anything you had on there would go right in there, just the same as yours. It's just a copy. So there you go. A quick little, I guess, hack you could call it.